In this video, I will show you how to cancel your GoDaddy subscription. To do this, just go to godaddy.com and sign into your account in the top right. From there, click on your name and this will open up the drop-down. Here go to Renewals and Billing on your account. Then here click Manage Subscriptions, and then it will show your current subscriptions. Now just get the subscription that you want to cancel, for example this one right here, and click on the drop-down, and from there click on Turn Off Auto Renew. That basically means that they won't bill you again. Then you can give them a reason, so for example pricing too high, and then click Continue to Cancel. And then from there you can see when it will cancel, so you will have access until that date. And if you then want to cancel, just click on Confirm Cancel. And after you do that, it will now be cancelling whatever product you had on GoDaddy, and now you can see Auto Renew turned off. So now you know how to cancel your GoDaddy subscription. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.